Happy day after Christmas, my Homestead peeps. So me and my son are going out to check on the chickens because we were so busy with Christmas activities yesterday that we forgot to collect eggs and didn't get a chance to check on them at all. So I feel bad for the girls. So we always make sure the girls have enough food and water every day, so they should still be good. We'll check on them, but I just felt bad that we were so busy. So how was everyone's Christmas? What did we do for Christmas? Let me know down in the comments because I love hearing what people do on holidays. Hey girls! Got 2 eggs this morning. Well, technically it was from last night. That's the thing about chickens in winter, they really slow down production. So we have a dozen chickens, so in nicer weather, we'll be getting a dozen eggs every day. But winter really slows down. Sophie, come on. I always fry my sweet potatoes in coconut oil because it tastes so good. And I'm not deep frying, I'm just throwing them in the air fryer and I'll just sprinkle a little bit of coconut oil over them. So it's just a really good flavor on sweet potatoes.